Hi, Lucienne here, and welcome back for lesson 2, how to make motif stitches. We're going to make these 3 today, see if it fit in 15 minutes or 20 minutes video. We start with this one, and all my little designs are 10 millimeters wide and 5 millimeters high. The height is 5 millimeters. We start with this one, and therefore we go to digitize open shape, single run, and we make here a little line, not all the way to there, but somewhere around here. Enter. Select that one. We go to create layouts and we go to circle layout. So click on it and you see you have a lot of lines on your cursor. Over here I did 20, and then I hold my control key down and I'm going to, let me zoom in, I'm going to put it here, somewhere around here. And I left mouse click. Do you want to merge the overlapped objects? No, I don't. And you get this shape. Now, the ones at the bottom we're going to delete. We don't need that ones. I'm going to delete it. Now this is your, must I say guide? At least it's like an image, and we're going to trace this one. And we're going to trace that one with digitize open shape, single run. And we start, of course, remember the golden rule, always start on your left. It doesn't matter if you start here, there or there, but in this case, of course, the first stitch will be here. And then go to here, go up a little bit, all left clicks, left click, go back, left, left, go back again, left, and repeat this until the last stitch. And this is the last stitch, and now I enter. It's the same color, so let me select this one and let's make it purple. Now you see the difference? These are all loose objects, and we actually don't need that anymore. And this is just one object. It's one line from here all the way till the end. And I can show you if I put the player on. You see, it started here and the last stitch is there. You also can see that by, if you click on it and you click on reshape, you see here the green diamond, first stitch, and the red cross, the last stitch. So now we're going to make a motif. Let me put it on the line, select it, go to motif, and let's say test hatchlings 1. I made that category. You can see that in lesson 1 how to do that. And I will call this one purple. Okay, and now I will start here and I will finish here. I don't need to hold my control key down now because I can see I'm on the red line. But if you have no grid or it's a different size, then for a straight line, hold your control key down. But now I'm on the red line. And now you see a red cross, vertical and horizontal, and that's okay. Click on it. And it's been created. Okay. Now let's make digitize open shape. Go to Motif. And make a motif stitch like this. Enter. And here it is. You see, perfectly connected to each other. But that's because the motif is 10 millimeters and the line is 30 millimeters. So then you know it will be 3 motifs in it. For the next motif, what we did was the same with this one, but then a little bit less. So again, I make a line, digitize open shape, make a line. Again, not all the way to the 5 millimeters, but a little bit before. Enter, click on it. Oh, I'm sorry. First, I need to go back to single run. Then digitize open shape. Click here and enter. And again, select it, go to create layouts, circle layout, and now I will do 18. Because 20 is not good in this case. You can see later on why. Click, overlap, no. So here it is. And again, we're going to delete these patterns. And we're going to use it again as a guide. So again, we go to digitize, digitize open shape. We start here again. And we go to there. Start there. Left mouse click. And now you will put a right mouse click here and a left mouse click here. Go back and go to here. To there. Right mouse click. Left mouse click. 2 left mouse clicks. Again, left mouse click. Right mouse click. Left mouse click. Left, 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 right, left. Go back, left, left. That's the way down. I must stay on the line. Left, left, enter. So again, all these loose lines we don't need anymore. I select it by clicking on it, hold my shift key down and click on the last one and then click on delete. So this is the one we just made. And again, select it. Or if you say, I don't like this, then click on reshape. You can change it a little bit. Now this one we must stay there. So you can do it like this. select, go to Motif, we call it purple 101, and I say OK, and again click here and click on the last stitch, and your motif has been created. So go to digitize open shape, click here on motif, enter, and here is your motif stitch. Another one, and this one is made from this one. So I'm going to duplicate that one, right mouse click, I drag it down to there. Let me put this one here. This one here belongs to this. I can delete that one. No, I had to delete this one. What I did is I click on it, I went to reshape, and these little yellow dots are straight lines. If I click on it and I click on my space bar, look, it's going to be a curved line. And I did that with all of them. I am not very good in drawing, so instead of drawing a flower or something like this, I did it like this. But here, that doesn't look nice. So we're going to change that. We're going to put a right one, a left click and a left click. And I put that one over there. So here you have again a little flower. If you don't like this, you can always change it a little bit. For example, like this. Okay, click on select, go to motif, purple 03. I click OK, and again I will click here and I will click there, and it's made. So I click OK, and here it is. Again, digitize open shape, click on your motif, and this is flower number 3.